Hey guys, welcome to my video. If you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, it's super simple and very beginner friendly. Keep watching till the end. Is it just me or like I can't figure out the right measurements for the tape ever? Like it's either too long or always too short. Let's try that again. Let me know down below in the comments what method you prefer. Do you guys prefer the tape method or taking a makeup wipe and swiping your eye at an angle? Much easier for me, especially because I have hooded eyes. It's just so much better. It's me looking down, it's because I have a mirror. About to go in with a simple blending brush. This is actually e.l.f. You know, for my drugstore beauties. Let me prime my eyes. The Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. Take my finger to blend this in. Oh, do you guys prime your eyes, or do you guys use like prime your eyes with like actual eyeshadow primer, or do you guys would you guys rather use concealer? Let me know down below in the comments. So taking my Morphe 35R palette, I'm gonna take this shade right here. And legit just real beginner friendly. Just take this all around my crease and a little bit more. I'm only going to use two colors, a crease color and a lid color. Okay, so now we're gonna add, I'm gonna actually conceal my eyes one more time. I'm gonna conceal my lid and then add a lid color. Now that I've concealed my eyes, my lid again, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay After Dark palette. Use the color Sinful. Of course, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take the same blending brush I used earlier and go into my Morphe 350R palette again. Take the same shade and blend around the crease of my lid color. Now, since I'm done so far, I'm not even gonna line my eyes anymore. I just take this tape off. Start applying my base. Sure, I got off all the excess. If you guys know any good primers, comment down below and let me know them. Using my Clinique Even Better foundation. Going in with my stippling brush. Okay, so now that I'm done with my base, all I'm gonna do is start working on my nose and the little extra add-ons. So I'm gonna get my angle brush, and I brought this black lip by Color Sensational, and it's in the shade Pitch Black. I'm legit gonna take my angle brush and start carving out my nose. No, honey. And I'm gonna contour. Make sure my cheekbones are carved out. Can you guys cream contour? If so, let me know who your favorite YouTubers are that cream contour, because I can't. I never tried it. Powder contour just seems easier to me. Powder contour just seems way easier to me. I really just can't cream contour. Go back over my blending brush, my stippling brush. Okay, now that that's done, we can go in and finally highlight. I'm gonna take my Morphe M310 brush and my Babe in Paradise palette. I'm actually gonna go in with Maui and Get Laid. Maui's in this corner, Get Laid is down here. I'm gonna go back in and do the bridge of my nose with a Vacation and Get Laid this time. Literally just a tip and the bridge. Now, since my base is done, I'm actually gonna go in and carve out my nose, my cat nose, and other facial features. Using a Color Sensational lipstick in the shade Pitch Black and an angle brush. Taking the smudging brush and my Morphe 35R palette again, I'm going to go into the shade. I'm going to go into the darkest shade in the palette in my opinion, which is this one right here, and pack it onto my nose since the lipstick is not cream. Since it's cream and not matte, this will help set it. Pitch Black lipstick, I'm going to draw a line straight down the bottom of my lip. Don't worry about getting it on your lip. Going back in with that same dark shade, we're gonna pat the line down and make it more prominent. Now going in with a wet makeup wipe, gonna clean that up. In the product, we're gonna go over your top lip with the lipstick and pat it in as well as set it. This essentially makes it transfer proof. Think of it as setting a concealer so it doesn't crack or crease. Now that that's set, I'm gonna go with my bottom lip color, which is CoverGirl Melting Matte Pout in the shade Ballerina. And also to prevent transfer, I'm gonna be setting the bottom lip with a pink. So now that that's dry, we basically have the final look. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, my liquid eyeliner, and mix some like whisker dots on my upper lip. Basically have our final look. I'm gonna go with my Revlon Volume and Length mascara. So guys, this is the final look. It was really last minute and it was easy to throw together right before Halloween, and can really be thrown any palette. If you guys don't have a gold shimmer, go in with just browns and make it like a smoky eye. There's so many options. I really like this.